In this objective, we are working with the slope formula. The example says use the slope formula to find the slope of the line through the points. And we're given the points 4, -3 and the point -1, 6. So first, let's start off with the slope formula. Slope is indicated with the letter M. And slope is equal to, it's a ratio, meaning it's a fraction. At the top, we have the difference in the y value, so y2 minus y1. And in the bottom, we have the difference in the x value, so x2 minus x1. Let me go ahead and write this another way, just in case you're wondering if the order has to be the same. This also can be written as y1 minus y2 and x1 minus x2. Whichever way you choose, as long as you make sure the y and x's are matching up. So for the first one, I start off with y2, so I also have to start off with x2. In the second formula, I start off with y1, so I also got to start off with x1. So either is your choice. I will use the first one. So now I'm going to come over to my points, and I'm going to label them. So the first point is x1, y1. The second point is x2, y2. So now I have M equals, well, remember the formula said y2 minus y1. So y2 is 6. Put the minus sign, y1. y1 is -3, so I'm going to use a parentheses to help me out. So again, y2 minus y1. In the denominator, it says x2 minus x1. Well, x2 is -1. Put the minus sign, x1. So this is 6 minus -3. Remember, a negative and a negative make positive, so that's really 9. And then the denominator says -1 minus 4. Remember, you can make your minus sign a plus sign and move the negative with the number. So this really says -1 plus -4. They have the same sign, so I'll keep the sign and add the numbers. So we end up with 9 over -5. Now, remember, we can move the negative up top. So this is -9 over 5. So what is the slope of the line that passes through these 2 points? -9/5.